To a Fox 5 News alert. He had a change of heart. The judge who sentenced 3 Atlanta educators to 20 years in prison just 2 weeks ago cut that sentence in half today.
Yeah, all of the big 3 convicted in our city's cheating scandal will now have to serve 3 years in prison instead of 7 years. And while that's a huge sentence reduction, some people still saying that sentence is still too harsh. Fox 5's Angelique Proctor is live tonight in Atlanta with our story.
Angelique, how did those educators react to these reduced sentences today?
Well, Tom, they were somewhat pleased, but all 3 maintain their innocence. They believe no prison time is more appropriate, and they say that is why they plan to still appeal.
When the judge goes home and he keeps thinking over and over that something's wrong, something is usually wrong.
Judge Jerry Baxter says he wanted to make things right and fair for convicted educators Tamara Cotman, Michael Pitts, and Sharon Davis Williams. The judge said after much reflection, the sentences of 20 years with each to serve 7 was too harsh for racketeering.
I want to modify the sentence so that I can live with it.
In a rare move, Judge Jerry Baxter reduced his own sentence for the 3 in what is called the largest cheating scandal in U.S. history. They now face 10 years to serve 3 in prison, with a $10,000 fine and 2,000 hours of community service. All 3 defendants still maintain their innocence.
Prison is prison, whether it's 20 years or 7 years. It's still overwhelming. So I need a little bit of time just to process that, but I certainly didn't come expecting more.
To receive the maximum sentence was just devastating. I could not believe it, and certainly I was pleased that he did reflect. I still maintain my innocence. I still plan to appeal.
Now, community activists say Judge Jerry Baxter was just too irrational in this case, too dismissive, and they say they plan to hold him accountable by filing a complaint against him in the morning to the Judicial Qualifications Commission. Live from downtown, Angelique Proctor, Fox 5 News.
So we haven't heard the end of the APS cheating scandal case. All right, Angelique, thanks. New at 5.